In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Mobile for studying. We're going to set up a simple, reliable structure so your notes are organized, easy to find, and quick to update on the go. Start by opening Obsidian on your phone. When it loads, you're in your vault, which is just Obsidian's word for the place that holds all your notes and folders. At the top left, you'll see a small box or folder icon. That icon opens the file browser, where you can view and manage everything in your vault. Think of it as your command center for staying organized. Create a new folder and name it Study. This becomes the home base for all school-related material. Clear, consistent names help later, so stick with something short like Study instead of longer phrases. With that in place, go into the Study folder and create another folder called Subjects. This second layer keeps your classes grouped together, so you don't end up with a crowded main screen as the semester goes on. Now, inside the Subjects folder, create a new note. Title it with a subject you're working on, biology or history, for example, whatever matches your needs right now. Using the subject name as the title makes search and sorting effortless, and it keeps everything predictable when you come back to study. Open the note and give it a quick structure so it's useful immediately. Start with a one-line summary of what the class or unit covers. Add a few clear sections like lectures, readings, and key terms to break things up, then jot concise lines under each as you study. Include dates, page numbers, or chapter names in plain text to make scanning fast before quizzes and exams. Consistent formatting is your friend here. It reduces decision fatigue and helps you find information at a glance. That's the whole setup. Open Obsidian, use the box icon to reach your files, make a study folder, add a subject subfolder, and create your first subject note. Repeat this simple pattern for other classes, and you'll have a tidy, dependable system you can maintain anywhere, anytime.